Hi, this is Dong from TEH, a China factory specialized in vacuum cleaners and small applicants. Today, I want to show you our new brushless cold upright vacuum. There are so many curious vacuum looks convenient, but buyers often face battery aging, charging time, and short real runtime. Our solution is simple: no battery, no charging, no runtime anxiety. It uses a high-voltage DC brushless motor designed for stable suction, lower heat, lower noise, and longer service than traditional brush motors. This is the motor with brush. It will very hot noise. This is our brushless motor. It can easy to stand. With constant 25 kilopart suction and a motorized floor brush, it cleans both hard floors and carpet easily. The 1.2-liter dust cup has a cycle structure to help keep dust away from the H12 high-pass filter. It also has multi-stage filtration, dischargeable powder coat, and wall mount storage. This is a very good suction vacuum cleaner. Please contact us for sample cost, MOQ, and lead time. We support OEM and ODM. This is genuine feedback from our customers' sales performance.